Hello, today we will guide you through how to get Printify on WordPress. To begin, open your WordPress.com dashboard and go to your site's home area. This is the main control panel where you manage your website, settings, and connected tools. Starting here makes it easy to access everything you need in one place before installing a new plugin. Once you are on the dashboard, look to the left-hand navigation menu and click on Plugins. This section is where WordPress lets you browse, install, and manage extra features for your site. Plugins are what allow you to extend WordPress beyond its basic functionality, and this is where you'll find Printify. After the Plugins page opens, use the search bar and type in Printify. This will help narrow the available options so you can quickly find the correct plugin. When searching, it's always a good idea to double-check the plugin name carefully so you install the right tool and avoid similarly named options. When Printify appears in the search results, click on it to open its plugin page. This page typically gives you more information about the plugin, including what it does, how it connects to your site, and any requirements you may need to be aware of before moving forward. Taking a quick moment to review this page can help you understand the setup process more clearly. Next, click on Upgrade and Activate. This is an important part of the process because on WordPress.com, some plugins require a plan that supports plugin installation. If your current plan does not include this feature, WordPress will prompt you to upgrade before you can continue. Once the upgrade is complete, you can activate the plugin so it becomes available on your site. After that, continue with the on-screen connection process. In this case, the setup requires a subscription, so just follow the prompts provided on your screen to complete the connection. The exact steps may vary depending on your account and plan, but WordPress and Printify will guide you through what's needed. Be sure to read each screen carefully so you understand what you're agreeing to before confirming anything. Once the plugin is connected successfully, Printify should be available within your WordPress setup, allowing you to move forward with your store or product integration. If anything doesn't appear right away, give the page a moment to refresh or revisit the plugin area to confirm that activation was completed. That's it. You've now gone through the process of getting Printify on WordPress.